Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Thandar electronic test and measurement tool. It's in its original box. We're talking early 80s here. Unfortunately somebody's posted it and just destroyed the original box, which is a bit sad, but that's what happens sometimes. Today we're going to get it out. It's new old stock, never been used. As I hope you can see in the really good condition. We need to put some batteries in here. According to the instructions, which we do have with this unit, I'll insert a little picture of those right now. It does say that to change the batteries or to insert batteries, we need to take the back off it. Starts with the removal of the feet. And then crosshead screwdriver. Oops, that really got away. Two. Three. 4. There's the one in the middle at the back. So let's see what's in here then. Interesting piece of kit, really. Here we are, batteries installed, put back together, press the power button and see what comes up. Looks good, perfect.